Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to install Android Studio on Windows. To install Android Studio, first we need to download the Android Studio installer. For this, go to a browser and type Android Studio download. Press enter. Click on the first link, developerandroid.com. So this is the official website of Android Studio. Here click on download Android Studio Panda 2. Scroll down. Here we need to accept the license. For this, click on I have read and agree and click on download Android Studio. So now the download has started. So the size of this exe would be around 1.4 GB. It would take time to download. So let's wait for it to complete. Once the download is complete, go to the location where the exe was downloaded. So it was downloaded here in downloads folder. So double click on the exe to install it. Give yes if you get a security prompt. So now the setup wizard comes up. Here click on next. Just ensure that all the components are selected and click on next. So here the installation location is displayed by default. You can change it if you need to install it in a different location. I'll leave it as default and click on next. Click on install. So now the installation has started. Wait for it to complete. So now the installation is complete. Now click on next. Now uncheck the Start Android Studio checkbox and click on Finish. So now the installation is complete. Next, we need to add Android Studio to path. For this, go to the location where Android Studio was installed. So in the system, it was installed within program files. So inside program files, it was installed in Android folder, within that Android Studio. So go to that location, go inside bin. Here you will be able to find the Android Studio exe, which is studio64.exe. So this is the path. Click on this address bar and press Ctrl C to copy this. Now we need to add this to path variable. So for this, press Windows R, type sysdm.cpl and press enter. This opens up the system properties. Now click on Advanced. Click on Environmental Variables. Now click on Path under System Variables. Click Edit. Here click on New. Now we need to paste the path that we had copied. So press Ctrl V to paste it and click on OK. Click OK. Click OK again. So now we have added Android Studio to path. After adding Android Studio to path, we are done with the installation. We need to do with the setup, which is done during the launching. So you can launch Android Studio from Start menu, or you can launch it via command prompt. So let us see how to launch it via command prompt. For this, press Windows R and type cmd, press enter. Here type the command studio64, press enter. So this opens up the Android Studio. So in this pop-up, click on Don't Send. Next, the setup wizard comes up. This comes up during the first time we launch Android Studio. Click on Next here. Click on Next. Click Next again. Now we need to accept the license. So click on Accept and click Next. So now the Android Studio SDK components are getting downloaded. Wait for the download to get completed. So now the download is complete. Now click on Finish. So now we have launched Android Studio. So these are the steps we need to follow to install Android Studio on Windows. I have prepared a reference guide with the steps that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.